Log on to YouTube from your smartphone or computer. Search Tube4U. Hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell on so that you can stay updated to the latest updates from Tube4U. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Tube4U. My name is Arpit and this episode is the final episode in the series of body positive episodes that I have been shooting recently. आज के एपिसोड बहुत ही खास होने वाला है. आई नो आप सब बोलते हैं कि यार ये हर एपिसोड में यही बोलता है, लेकिन दिस बीइंग द लास्ट वन आई हैव बीन सेविंग द बेस्ट पर्सन फॉर द लास्ट एपिसोड. ये जो व्यक्ति है जिनसे मैं आपको आज मिलवाने जाने वाला हूँ, शी इज लाइक माई एल्डर सिस्टर. हम सब पहली बार लैक्मे फैशन वीक में मिले थे और उसके बाद हमारे बीच में एक ऐसी बॉन्डिंग हो गई कि मैं बन गया इनका छोटा भाई और ये बन गई मेरी बड़ी बहन. लेकिन अगर हम साइज की बात करें तो ये मुझसे काफी छोटी लगती है हाइट में, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये छोटी बहन है, मैं बड़ा भाई. लेकिन all jokes aside, let me introduce you to the wonderful person that I call Ambi. For you all, it's Amber Qureshi. Please welcome Ambi.
Hi Arpit.
Welcome to Tube4U.
Thank you so
Welcome
much
to Tube4U.
Thank you, so good to be here.
My pleasure. Please tell the Tube4U audience something about yourself.
Hi guys. First of all, thank you Arpit so much for this beautiful introduction.
My pleasure.
It was, I mean, I think meeting you was one of the refining moments of my life. So, hey, as Arpit said that we met at Lakme Fashion Week, and it was absolutely wonderful to meet such amazing, inspiring people like Arpit, who not only just walk, but they also walk the talk, which is, so for me, I've taken a lot from him and a lot of other people who I've met at Lakme Fashion Week. So, as you said that we are here talking about body positivity. My name is Amber and I will take you through my life in a jiffy, in a very short capsule about how I have been a plus size girl and have lived a plus size life. Yes, I have been a 9-to-5 jobber. I've been a celebrity manager. I've recently turned a producer and an entrepreneur. I'm coming up with my own plus size clothing label. So there's a lot that's happening in my life, and guess what? My weight, my size doesn't restrict me to accomplish what goals I have for me, and this is what here I am to speak about today. So yeah, Arpit, as we were discussing the other day, very well said. Yes. मतलब, frankly speaking, I just couldn't resist myself to cut her up in between and talk, because इतनी सारी accomplishments, इतनी सारी चीजें. लोग बोलते हैं यार the fat person is a lazy person. भाई ये कहाँ से lazy हुई? She is literally on her toes 24/7. Absolutely.
पूरे time, and she is doing amazing at it. So my next question to you is, normally in the society हमें बहुत एक जिसको बोलना एक अलग नजरिए से देखा जाता है कि अगर एक आदमी फैट है, थोड़ा ऑन हेल्दी साइड है, तो लोग उसको ऐसा देखते हैं कि यार ये किसी काम का नहीं है, ये कुछ नहीं कर सकता. In the introduction already you have proved कि you do a lot, but have you ever felt a little bit depressed? Because normally society में जिस तरीके से लोग हमें मिलते हैं वो ऐसे ही रहते हैं कि यार जिसको बोला ना कि keep pulling your leg, सपोर्ट करना तो दूर की बात, हमेशा नेगेटिव ही बोलना है. तो ऐसे नेगेटिव कमेंट्स से किस तरीके से आपने अपने आप को बोला ना कि टॉप पे लेके आए, किस तरीके से आपने अपने आप को फियर्स को ओवरकम किया, एंड यू आर डूइंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग नाउ?
Arpit, I want to point out आपने conversation में बोला था that people call you fat and people call you healthier. So on that point, I want to say when people call you healthier, that itself is such a positive word because they are calling you healthier. So the thing is that it's up to us how we take the words and the terms that the people use on you. Now when people call you healthier, you must say thank you so much. I know that already. So that's how it should be. Take everything in your positive stride. Arpit, I have gone through a lot of, I've always been a big size girl. I've always gone through a lot of, I will not call it criticism, but you know, people were like, they frown at you and they look at you, they like, you know, pull my cheeks and say, यार अगर थोड़ी दुबली हो जाती या थोड़ा सा weight कम कर लेती तो, you know, so there's but and if in everything. So that is what I want to understand. When you look at a thin person, you don't say कि अगर थोड़ा मोटा हो जाता तो, you'd never say that, but you always look at a fat person and say that. Why? I never understood that, because जब तक मैं बचपन से 10-11 साल में आई तो people used to, in fact those terms were used in a very positive way, so cute, chubby and all that. The moment I got into my teens, the same words became a negative, they started having a negative impact on me because people started pushing it that way. So here it is, to all the people who go through the same emotions like the way I do, the confused emotion basically, कि आप एक तरफ मुझे first 10-12 years of my life the same terms were positive and then immediately after the same terms would go negative. Why does that happen? I was in a very confused state and that led to a lot of depression. I was low, I cut myself off from people because I suddenly felt that I am a misfit in this society and I am not acceptable anymore. And I don't know this. I didn't realize, I could not understand what is so wrong with being the way I am, with being a size 18 or size 20, you know. I just couldn't figure it out. I couldn't fathom what was going wrong. But then it took me a while to understand that people have expectations of you. That is their problem. It is not my problem. And it took me a while to understand that because I was living my life the way I was. There was no change. In fact, doing better. I go for my Kathak classes, I go for my walks, I do the work that I do every day. So those are people's expectations and I let them be because it is their problem. They have to sort it out. I don't want to, you know, invest my time. I will not say invest, you know, waste my time in trying to prove them, you know, that what is applicable, what is okay by the society standards of beauty. So I let them be. I just went about doing the things that I like to do. I live my life the way I wanted to live, achieving the goals that I set for myself, and that's it. You just put your blinders on, focus on your goals and just keep moving forward.
अभी जो भी बोला आपने बिल्कुल सही बोला और हमेशा मैं भी यही चीज कहता हूँ कि यार फैट इज नॉट इक्वल टू अनहेल्दी. फैट पीपल आर ऑल्सो हेल्दी. ये हमारी एक जेनेटिक अपब्रिंगिंग भी होती है. नॉर्मली अगर आप देखेंगे कि जो नॉर्थ साइड के लोग हैं वो वैसे लंबे चौड़े हष्ट पुष्ट होते हैं और अगर आप एब्सोल्युटली अभी आई एम पंजाबी अगर बात करें तो यार हम बने ही ऐसे, मैं बचपन से ही ऐसा हूँ. सो बीइंग द टॉलेस्ट एंड द बिग साइज पर्सन, क्लास में भी हम शुरू से सबसे एंड में बैठे हैं, लास्ट बेंच पे बैठे हैं क्योंकि आगे वालों को दिखाई नहीं देगा अगर हम आगे बैठेंगे तो. सो मेन कहने का यही है कि यार सम थिंग्स आर नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल एंड द होल पॉइंट इज यस वी आर हेल्दी. अगर आप बोलेंगे कि भाई तू 1 किलोमीटर भाग के दिखा, तो यार अगर आप किसी पतले आदमी को भी बोलोगे कि तू 1 किलोमीटर भाग विदाउट एनी ट्रेनिंग, वो भी नहीं भाग पाएगा. सो इट इज द होल पॉइंट कि आप जिस तरीके से खुद को बना रहे हो, किस साचे के अंदर खुद को ढाल रहे हो, उसी तरीके से आप बनोगे आगे जाके.
I just want to point out one thing that you very rightly said. So the topic is not about being fat or unfat. It should be about being fit and healthy. Now that could mean that do not be lazy.
Right.
You know, being lazy is absolutely a big no-no. Eat right, sleep well, go about your daily work, but be mobile. Don't not be immobile because that is when I will probably say that it's not about being fat, but it is because you are lazy.
Right.
Do not be lazy. And I think what happens is that we confuse the term fat with being lazy.
Absolutely.
And we should try and now segregate
बिल्कुल
these
सही है.
terms.
Fat is not at all lazy.
Yeah.
Fat is just as someone rightly said, it is just a terminology. It doesn't describe anything as an overall personality. एक बस दिखता है.
Actually, you are describing कि this restricts you from doing anything.
Absolutely, you can do anything.
Yeah.
And anything से मुझे याद आया, Ambi is starting something amazing. Before I say something, I want Ambi to let this thing out.
This is probably the first time that is going out. So yeah, I mean, keeping in mind about, so I call myself a body confidence activist purely because my weight and my size does not restrict me to do anything in life. I party, I work, you know, so I cook, I eat, I do everything. So keeping that in mind and keeping, you know, keeping that goal in mind, I've pushed myself to basically start a clothing label for plus size people because I truly believe that if you take the current scenario, the plus size people do not have access to really cool, trendy, fun clothing. And why? Because I don't understand the reason why. Because I feel people like us who are not your average size people are more fun with their personality. They love to experiment.
We are jolly.
Absolutely.
The jolly good fellow की जो टर्म है वो हमारे लिए बनी है. Because क्या है, हमें हर चीज जिसको ना खाना छोड़ो हवा भी हम लेते हैं तो उससे भी वजन बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है. Because we are so happy, we grasp things, we absorb all the energy within ourselves. So
just on that thought, and we decided that, you know, why not give people some cool, fun clothing, because whatever certain clothing is your second skin, and if you're comfortable in your second skin, I feel that it can push you harder to go and achieve your goal. So here it is. I'm launching a plus size clothing label. It's called the Plum Tree, which will be launched hopefully by September. Watch out for this page. Space, Arpit Space to know more. You can follow us on Instagram. It's called theplumtree.in. This is for women right now. We'll be introducing the menswear shortly, and he's going to be one of my
मजा आने वाला है
plus size influencers.
Yeah, मजा आने वाला है. So please make sure you follow the Instagram link that I'll be putting in the description right now below. Do check it out. Ambi is a cool girl, and I'm telling you, you are not going to find anyone like her. Because एक जब बात होती पता है क्या है? Normally जो बोलना आम पब्लिक, उनकी तादाद बहुत होती है. उसमें कुछ यूनिक नहीं होता. हम कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो दूर से दिखाई देते हैं कि यार ये बंदा यूनिक है.
People actually, Arpit, you know, plus size people are very brave people.
Absolutely.
You know, the battles that they fight on every day basis. It's like amazing.
Right.
And I actually look up to people who are not your average size because they have it easy while we don't.
Right, absolutely.
So we fight a battle every day with a smile on the face.
But again, let me tell this thing. See, it's good to boast about yourself if you achieve something.
That's true.
The whole point is, कितने पतले लोग Lakme Fashion Week के अंदर रैंप वॉक किए हैं यार. The whole point is, everyone wants to get that spotlight, to get that कि यार अपने को आना ही है उसके अंदर. भाई एंट्री की सीट नहीं मिलती. We were the lucky ones to walk the ramp on the season 1 of Lakme Fashion Week, all plus size. So yeah, that's a big achievement, and it came only because we are plus size. So
And we're proud to be who we are.
absolutely. So with that said, the final words from Ambi to the people of Tube for You.
Okay. Final words from me. Let go. Let go of what people call you. Let go of people how they term you. Let go of their insecurities, what they put on you. Let go and live your life the way you want to live your life. You look at yourself the way you want to look at yourself. So first thing is to let go of all this negativity that's going around. Second is take ownership of you are. Do not accept, because I feel accept is it's a compromising term. Take ownership of you are. Till the time you don't really own who you are, you will not be able to go out there and be confident and be the way you want to be. So let go, take on ownership, love yourself fearlessly, because this is what it's all about at the end of the day. Till the time you don't love yourself enough, you will not allow other people to love you. So let go, you know, take control of who you are, take ownership, and yeah, love yourself fearlessly. I think that's what I have to say.
Fantastic. भाई देखो यार, मुझे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत है. Do I need to say anything? She is telling everything which is absolutely true. So अपने myths को हटाओ, अपने अंदर के डर को भगाओ. If you are a plus size person, you are a healthy person, you are a jolly person, you are a joyful person.
Take pride in yourself.
Absolutely, love yourself, love your body. आप जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो. किसी के कहने पे आपको चेंज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन इसका
Do not
मतलब
be lazy.
Yes, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बस अपन तो सोफे पे बैठे दिन भर और बस खाते जा रहे हैं.
Do not be lazy.
Come out in the open, do something and prove the world that boss तुम जो बोलते हो वैसा नहीं होता. Okay, because in today's world, in this digital era, no one has a handbook, no one has a manual कि भाई ये करेगा तो successful हो जाएगा, वो करेगा तो successful हो जाएगा. Just go there, do it, and success will come forward and follow you, right?
Absolutely.
So with that said, this is Arpit Handa signing off on the final episode of Body Positivity with Ambi, the sweet Ambi. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and watch the previous episodes of Body Positivity
Please do.
down here.
Please do.
Thank you so much. Bye
I think
bye.
you're doing a phenomenal job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See you later. Love you all. Bye bye.